Today, we are going to discuss the internal parts of the heart. So, this is the left ventricle, the right ventricle, the left atrium, and then the right atrium. This is the septum, this is the right wall, and this is the left wall. This is the cardiac tendinate. This is the aorta.
This is the atrioventricular valves, which are the tricuspid valves and the mitral valve. Then you have the semilunar valves, which are the pulmonary valve and the aortic valve. Last, we have the exit of the vena cava leading to the right atrium, and then the exit of the pulmonary vein leading to the left atrium. And then